Tonight, let's wander through the vibrant streets of Yokohama Chinatown. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a dazzling display of red and gold. Our first word means lantern.
ちょうちん、ちょうちん。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
赤いちょうちんが通りを照らします。
The aroma of steaming delicacies fills the night air, inviting passerby to taste the warm, comforting flavors of the market. Our next word means steamed bun.
肉まん、肉まん。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
温かい肉まんを食べました。
Through the winding alleys, laughter and chatter blend into a lively symphony, creating a sense of joy and community. Our next word means lively or bustling.
にぎやか、にぎやか。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
ヤジはとてもにぎやかです。
In the heart of the market stands a grand, ornate gate, welcoming visitors to this magical fusion of cultures. Our next word means gate.
門、門。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
大きな門をくぐります。
As the night deepens, the glowing lights reflect beautifully on the cobblestones, leaving a lingering warmth in our hearts. Our final word means night.
夜、夜。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
静かな夜が訪れます。
May the warmth of the lanterns guide you to peaceful dreams. Sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。